Alissa Coram here. It's been an exciting day one at CES 2017, and in the North Hall, it's been all about car tech. We were able to speak with top automaker Ford about its self-driving car ambitions. The company in August announced the expansion of its Fusion self-driving car fleet, with plans for ride-hail applications beginning in 2021 and straight to consumers in 2030. Here's the lead engineer on the autonomous car project, BREWER.
It starts with the fact that we have a lot of new technology that we need to add to the vehicle, and the technology is intended to replace a human being. And it's not cheap technology. It's very expensive, and it needs to be to replicate all things that you as a driver can do. So what we're going to start with first is to go after applications where we can replace a driver who gets paid to drive for a living and come in with this technology. And then as we move forward in time and the cost of the technology comes down, you'll see it move into consumer vehicles. We expect by the time we get to the 2030 time frame, there'll be quite a few vehicles that you can buy and purchase as a retail customer, in addition to what we call commercial applications like a ride-sharing business, package deliveries move forward in time, anything that would require a vehicle to move goods or people. In terms of going forward with a vehicle without a steering wheel, brake pedal, throttle pedal, that is a big change. But again, that's what autonomous vehicles really want to be about. When we come back later, like I said, out in the maybe 2030 kind of time frame, where retail customers can afford to buy this vehicle because the costs have come down, in all likelihood we'll have a combination of vehicles with those manual controls and without, depending on what the customer is interested in.
We also spoke with a company you may or may not have heard of yet, LeEco. Not only is it looking to enter the electric car market with a partnership with Faraday Future, but the China tech giant has recently entered the smartphone and TV markets, very competitive in the US.
When we announced that we were entering into the TV space first, which we did in 2013 in China, people thought we were crazy. Fast forward to 2016, and we actually became the #1 smart TV maker in the Chinese market. And we're achieving similar success now with our Eco phones. I think the recipe for us is that we have this approach of building premium hardware at disruptive prices, and I think that's something that consumers are really responding well to.
LeEco has many products in many different categories here on display, and one unique to the company is its super bike with Android display, the first of its kind. It's set to hit the US market in Q2.
They're beautiful carbon fiber, lightweight. They have biometric sensors, so it measures your heart rate. They have safety features like lasers that create personal safety lanes, so that when you're riding, these lasers will communicate to motorists what is a safe distance that they need to maintain to make sure that you're safe and that they're safe also. So very cool bikes. Pricing, we're not announcing pricing yet. That's something we're going to talk about a little bit later in the year. But you can expect to see the bikes in the US market by the end of Q2 this year.
The video streaming division of LeEco is publicly traded on the Shenzhen Index in China, and the rest of the company has plans to list on a US exchange in the next couple of years. Now, the company is planning to move its worldwide headquarters to Silicon Valley. It recently purchased a large piece of property there. We'll make sure to keep you updated on further developments. For investors